Hello everyone, my name is Dana. Thank you for being here today. I appreciate that. I wanted to share today the December scrapbook kit from Jolie. So this month you'll get these Photo Plays beautiful junket 12 by 12 papers. You get 12 double-sided and sheets, and we'll look at these. Here's amazing. You get a lot of journal cards you can cut out in the back of that. And you get letters. This has a pretty floral design like that. And the back has like letters and postage stamp marks on this one. And you have the Good Life. This is nice, with a space for journaling and recording your photos and your memories in the back of that. It's nice that you get 2 each of these. Here's to-do list. There's a lot of tickets and little cards you could cut out on the back side of that one. It's pretty. And then you get Flea Market, which has all these wonderful tags. So they're nice to add in your albums and journals, and you could use them on cards too. Then you have this vintage with the pink roses. That's very soft and shabby looking. 3 of those. And then My Story. This is neat. And then the back has a lot of sentiments and little cards you could cut out. And then you get a 12 by 12 sticker sheet with lots of stickers. Never can have enough stickers. Okay, and then in addition to that, you'll get these 2 beautiful white doilies and these book pages that you can use on your layouts and in your journal. You get Frank Garcia's Memory Hardware Square album. This has 6 chipboard pages. I like his albums. They're very sturdy and nice. Then from Jolie, you'll get this butterfly chipboard and 2 sets of the tickets. I like these because these are nice. You can cut apart and even use them on cards. And they're nice for your journals, and they'll go well with this. Then you get 49 Market handmade paper flowers. This is the florets, the taffy, and you get 12 pieces in here. So these are really pretty. See? And they come with little leaves. And you also get 49 Market Rustic Bloom. That's pretty. And then of course Prima Flowers. So this is a very nice kit. I'm really excited to use and get to play with this. I would suggest you order early because they do sell out very quickly. But thank you for joining me today. I hope you grab your kit today and start crafting. Take care. Bye-bye.